Have you ever reached for a glass of milk and thought, this is the only way to build strong bones? What if I told you there are 7 common non-dairy foods many already in your pantry that pack more calcium per serving than milk and offer benefits for your heart and digestion, especially once you're over 50? I'm James from Healthy Life Channel, and today we're rethinking everything you know about calcium. By age 50, bone density naturally declines, and while most ads steer us straight to milk, it's not the only or even always the best source. Lactose intolerance, digestion issues, and individual absorption differences mean we need alternative, bioavailable calcium sources that fit our lifestyles. Over the next 10 minutes, I'll introduce 7 powerhouse foods, explain how to maximize their calcium uptake, and show you how easy it is to weave them into your diet. First up are tiny but mighty chia seeds. Just 1 tablespoon gives you about 90 milligrams of calcium more per gram than milk, along with plant protein, fiber for gut health, and omega-3 salt for heart and brain support. Stir 2 teaspoons into yogurt or oatmeal. Whisk a tablespoon into your favorite smoothie, or make overnight chia pudding by combining 1 cup of plant milk, 2 teaspoons chia, and a dash of honey or cinnamon in the fridge overnight. Next, crunchy almonds deliver about 78 milligrams of calcium in a 30 grams handful, plus magnesium and vitamin E to boost absorption. Swap your usual chips or cookies for a small handful, sprinkle chopped almonds over salads, or blend almond butter into smoothies and on toast for a bone-friendly snack. Sesame seeds and tahini follow, boasting roughly 1,000 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams, nearly 4 times milk's content, along with zinc, phosphorus, and anti-inflammatory fats. Drizzle tahini over roasted veggies, stir it into salad dressings, or add a tablespoon to baked goods for a nutty calcium boost. From land to sea, canned sardines eaten with their soft, edible bones provide about 380 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams, plus vitamin D for better absorption, omega-3 salt for heart protection, and protein to preserve muscle mass. Mash sardines on whole grain toast with lemon, toss into pasta sauces, or mix into a simple salad with herbs and mustard. Plant-based eaters, look for calcium-set tofu, which delivers around 350 milligrams per 100 g. Complete soy protein, iron, and magnesium. Cube and stir-fry it with garlic and broccoli. Bake it for a crispy snack, or blend silken tofu into soups and smoothies. Leafy greens like kale and collard greens round out your plate. Collard's lower oxalate content means more bioavailable calcium, while kale shines raw in salads or smoothies. Alternate them throughout the week for variety and maximal benefit. But eating calcium-rich foods is only half the battle. Your body also needs vitamin D, magnesium, and vitamin K. To use that calcium effectively, aim for safe sun exposure, fortified foods, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and fermented foods like natto or hard cheeses. The NIH recommends 1,000 milligrams daily for adults, 51 to 70, and 1,200 milligrams for women over 50, and everyone over 70 split across meals and snacks to make it manageable. Now let's meet our 7 calcium superstars. 1. Chia seeds. Beyond boosting bones, chia's soluble fiber helps lower cholesterol and blood sugar. Their omega-3 salt aid brain health, while antioxidants combat free radicals. To boost absorption, combine chia with almonds, leafy greens, or fortified foods. Soak chia overnight or in hot water for 20 minutes to activate anti-inflammatory properties. Note to almonds: these portable powerhouses also provide antioxidants, vitamin E, and magnesium. For optimal absorption, enjoy almonds with a source of calcium like milk or fortified juice. Studies show that almonds may reduce inflammation and aid weight management. 3. Sesame and tahini. More than doubling milk's calcium content, sesame combats osteoporosis, while its zinc aids immune cells and vitamin E protects against oxidative stress. Enjoy it in moderate amounts, as too much can interfere with iron and zinc absorption. 4. Sardines. Canned sardines with bones provide more calcium than milk and are rich in omega-3 salt, aiding joint health and combating heart disease. They also supply vitamin D for better calcium absorption. 5. Tofu. Firm tofu offers more calcium than milk per serving, aiding bone and muscle health. Its protein supports weight loss, while 6. Collard greens. As a superfood, collards have 2.5 times the calcium of milk, plus fiber and vitamins A, C, and K. They protect against heart disease and certain cancers and promote healthy aging. Number 7. Kale. This leafy green boasts antioxidants and compounds that enhance detoxification. Raw kale provides more calcium than milk, but cooking makes it even more absorbable. It may improve digestion and support healthy blood sugar. As we age, maintaining bone health becomes increasingly important. While milk has long been promoted as the primary source of calcium, it's not the only option, nor is it suitable for everyone. Fortunately, nature and science have provided us with an array of alternatives. Our list of 7 non-dairy foods with more calcium than milk offers a diverse selection of options that cater to various dietary needs and preferences. Whether you're a fan of tiny chia seeds, crunchy almonds, or leafy collard greens, there's a powerhouse waiting to be discovered. These foods not only surpass milk in calcium content, but also offer unique health benefits, from heart health to gut well-being. Remember, a balanced approach that includes these calcium-rich foods. Proper supplementation if needed, and an awareness of individual needs can pave the way for stronger bones and overall vitality as we age. And don't forget to check out our upcoming videos for more insights into senior care. Thank you for watching, and here's to your continued good health. Cheers! In addition to the 7 foods highlighted in this video, there are several key nutrients and practices that can significantly enhance your bone health journey after 50. Let us delve deeper into some essential aspects that complement these calcium-rich foods. First and foremost, adequate vitamin D intake is crucial for efficient calcium absorption and bone health. Sunlight exposure, vitamin D-rich foods, and if necessary, supplementation can ensure you meet your daily requirements. Magnesium is another essential nutrient that plays a vital role in bone health. It aids in calcium metabolism and helps prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Leafy greens, nuts, and seeds are great sources of magnesium, contributing not only to stronger bones, but also overall well-being. Vitamin K2 is often overlooked, but is crucial for directing calcium to the bones and preventing its accumulation in arteries. Fermented foods like sauerkraut and natto are rich in vitamin K2, making them an excellent addition to a bone-focused diet. Regular weight-bearing exercise is fundamental for maintaining bone density and reducing the risk of fractures. Activities like walking, jogging, dancing, or strength training can make a significant impact when done consistently. A well-balanced diet with minimal processed foods ensures your body receives the essential nutrients for optimal bone health. Prioritize whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. If needed, consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian to assess your dietary intake and make any necessary adjustments. Consider taking a bone density test as recommended by your doctor, especially if you have risk factors such as a family history of osteoporosis. This test can provide valuable insights into your bone health status and guide any preventive measures. Most importantly, be patient and consistent. Building strong bones is a long-term endeavor that requires patience and consistency. Incorporate these tips and the 7 calcium-rich foods from our video into your routine and monitor your progress over time. Embrace the journey towards better bone health and overall well-being. Remember, every step counts, and small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements over time. Stay proactive, stay positive, and prioritize your health. You've got this!